Sterilizers questions answered. Repair kit MPV TUK037 for Tuttnauer model. Question: where can I get the repair kit MPV TUK037 for Tuttnauer model for Tuttnauer sterilizer? Answer: you may get the repair kit MPV TUK037 for Tuttnauer model for Tuttnauer sterilizer model in the link below. Details: use this kit to repair multi-purpose valve assemblies with the long shaft fits, front panel, right side of machine. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.